Hello guys, Mechanic Pride. Ford company launched a million of the vehicles camera recall, causing the software issue and the camera issue, or sometimes the blacked out and inverted and does not working properly camera. It depends on the model. Usually 2020 through the 25 or some of the 26 model does not properly camera working. Today I'm gonna show how to replace the Mustang 2024. Mustang also old one has recall 15 through the 19 and a wire issue, and then for the change wire and camera. This one's a 2024. I'm gonna show today how to replace rear camera and then reset the camera module. Open the rear trunk, and then we need to be remove the trunk cover, and then release this emergency handle, put aside, and then there are so many retainer clip to the trunk cover, and then you need a clip remover, and then I remove all of this trunk cover. Now we can see the trunk ratchet and trunk height adjuster rubber. I usually leave that in place and then just band up trunk cover, and now can see that trunk camera wire and also latch inside. So I'm just leave the trunk cover and then disconnect this electric connector from the camera. You guys see that there's a screws both sides mounted camera bracket. The camera bracket hold the camera. So using the 6mm socket, gently remove both sides, and then this small screw. Small camera hold bracket hold the camera. Once you guys both sides screw, just gently take that out camera hold bracket. Once the after bracket, you guys can remove this camera module assembly. Now the left hand is old one and right hand is new camera for recall. I have showing that this part number. This one is a 2024 Mustang. You guys leave the part number and then put the back to the back of the reverse. Now first line up the camera and then attach the camera hold bracket, and then gently tighten this camera hold to screw. Because the plastic, do not using the any air tool, just hand tight, gently tighten, just the plastic. Now after replacement of new camera, you guys program this new camera in module initialization. So using the Ford scan tool, Ford post scan or the Ford FDRS IDS. Now once after the program, you guys can see that once the turn the steering wheel, it shows how much steering wheel turning the exactly what angle. So without module program, probably does not working properly. If your camera does not working without not related recall, you can change yourself. Thank you for watching.